Today we got a good little treat. So if you've ever air fried vegetables and you can't just get them crispy and you miss that crunch from frying in oil, got something that may alleviate your symptoms here. We have zucchini. It's already cut. I got most of the skins off. All right. Now we're going to take our bag here. We got plain panko breadcrumbs. All right, and these granules are kind of big to serve their purpose. So what I'm going to do here is lay them out in this bag and roll them out, just to get the granulars a little smaller. All right, we'll call that good. Now we're going to take nutritional yeast, enough for flavor, black pepper to taste, onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika. I'm going to go a little heavy on this. All right. So, give that a little mix up. I'll set that to the side for now. All right. So whatever plant-based milk that you want to use, I prefer to cook with oat milk. So we have some unsweetened oat milk. And I have a container of just regular old cornstarch. So we're going to take our zucchini, go to the cornstarch first. Cornstarch is going to do two things for us. It's going to help perform a seal on the outside of our zucchini, so you don't get that soggy texture on the outside as it air fries. The second thing it's going to do is when it hits this oat milk, it's going to produce a gluey substance. So we just want a little coating of cornstarch. That's a fairly heavy coating. So we're going to dip them in the oat milk, put them in the bag. Now we shake. All right, so all right, next we're gonna throw these on a preheated air fryer, 400 degrees, 10 minutes. While we wait for these to air fry, we're gonna make a dipping sauce. All right, dipping sauce, really simple, 2 ingredients. Dijon mustard, oh, that made a mess. And whichever hot sauce you either prefer or have on hand. All right. Just give this a little mix. All right. Let's go check on our zucchini fries. All right. These look nice and crunchy. All right. You know what's left. That is so good. Catch us next time.